Starting to snow here, January 20th, 2025. No real accumulation though. Snow on the tarp, but I think that's because it's the surface of the tarp is more like air temperature. It's not freezing on the, a little bit. But I've got my Hungarian Army surplus parka on. Can't really see it in this, but it keeps you nice and warm in pretty much any weather. And I don't know how much it costs, probably $10, $20 at most. So Army surplus, that's the way to go. Cat. Another cat. Decent. Maybe about an inch. This over, so I should write it. There we go. Okay. Have the lights on in the shed for a wee bit of warmth for the plants in there. I'm gonna go explore a little more now. It's still snowing. On the roads, there's definitely less. I'm guessing a lot of this will melt today. So that's why I'm out here filming now before it disappears. Winter Wonderland, Houston, Texas. Not quite like Steven's getting back in Virginia. Gotta make do with what you get and enjoy it while you can. Seems like some's already melting, maybe. Snow in the yoke. Yeah, all this is just slush. No ice, which is good. Playground's all snowy. Should have gone out in the Sam Houston in this. Got to see all the interesting animal tracks and such. Swimming pool. Some sort of canine passed through this area. Possibly werewolf, dire wolf, maybe. Get the dragonfly. Yeah, maybe half-inch accumulation or something on the roads. Maybe about an inch on the grass.